Don't scroll! Crispy outside, cheesy surprise inside!
First, maida.
Now add fresh curd. And another scoop.
Just a little salt.
Mix it nicely.
Knead until soft and smooth.
First, fresh coriander.
Now mint for freshness.
Let's add some spice. And ginger garlic for flavor.
Blend it smooth.
Now let's cook the filling.
First, a little oil.
Boneless chicken. Add our magic green paste.
For extra flavor. A little cumin.
And salt to balance.
Turmeric for color. Cook till juicy and perfectly dry. Yes, getting there. Flatten it nicely.
Add the juicy filling.
This makes it super crispy. Golden and crispy, just how we like it. Look at that golden color.
Crispy mini buns.
Don't miss the next cheesy recipe. Hit subscribe. More crispy magic is coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe for all the deliciousness.